My man Tony up here. Look at how he travel with the joint, man. Yo, go zip that thing up, y'all.
Open up the package.
Look at.
What I'm saying, this part here.
That's smart though. All right now, got his packs up in there.
Oh, they already did. They already have.
Yeah, boy. Got the starting gate. Jump the remote up in there. What's this for? Just in case you get cold. Oh, protect it. Yeah, protect it. That's slick, shorty. Oh man, got the joint.
Mine's just most beat up.
That's charming.
We just. All right, guys, we are out here at Scope Creek, and we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna run some motocross. You know what I mean? We're taking over the track up here. We got some motocross going on. Nobody else running today. You know what I mean? We got it on a special day. Thank you, Jimmy. We're gonna go out there and have some fun, man. We're gonna go tear it up. Actually, we're gonna tear our bikes up. We're gonna tear up the riders, because this will be the first time any of us have been on the track with this thing. So we got the fellas over here, and we're going to hit it up in a minute and have some fun, man.
Oh, you forgot to bring the starting gate?
I got it right there.
Y'all know Carlton's jump. Got some miles on
You
it.
just put it down and then? No.
They make a 3D print joint for that too.
I'm gonna wait till I beat it all up first.
We got Twan out here, and we know Jimmy.
What do I know?
Where yours at, Jimmy?
I don't know.
You got to sell. We trying to sell
somewhere in the store.
Trying to get them to get one right now.
So there's my joint. Here we go with Tony's. Twan got the Cowie.
I got to beat up my Honda.
And you got the first of his class at the Honda.
You get the colors for it.
Look at that joint. You need some new boots and everything, Chuck.
Yeah, my man. He been through it.
Damn, go ahead.
Hey, so you see, y'all everybody
Yeah,
ready?
go ahead. We get down there once we get started. When we get started.
Ready? Go.
Oh snap!
You know what? Me and Jim are waiting for that.
He can't. You catch him. You catch him. See? First day out here with this joint. Man, shout out to Jimmy, yo. Let's give Jimmy a shout out for letting us come out here and practice, man. I appreciate it, yo, for real. We out here, man. We looking like a mess out this jump. Nice one, Tony. Go ahead, Twan. Get it, baby. There go Tony in the blue bike. One thing I did learn with these things, yo, when you go slow, okay. When you go slow, and the steering is reverse. So as you're going slow, you're trying to go to the right. If you're trying to go for the right, for example, it will steer to the left. So it kind of messes you up a little bit. It's something to get used to on these, especially when you're first starting off after you crash. Go ahead, Tony. Go ahead, bro. Nice one, nice one. So, all right, so we got Carlton out here on the red bike now. All right now. All right, Twan. You gotta hit that brake. Oh. Go ahead, son. Oh my goodness. Man, there's a steep learning curve on this zone. Steep, steep. Oh, oh.
Got caught right on that damn hook. I've been wondering what I already
Well, not what you already get to it, right? If not, less.
Oh my goodness.
Damn it. Gotta turn that brake down. I can't brake it all.
How we're starting off the top, not bad.
Mike, can you help me?
Oh. Oops, sorry about that. I think I broke the back end of that thing. No, I got it. Thank you. Yep, sure enough, broke it all.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Ah. You shouldn't have said nothing. Oh!
faster you go.
The reason why is because
The gyro is so.
exactly.
The gyro is going like crazy.
It's all about wheel spin too with the gyro. It's all about the wheel spin with the gyro. How much it will stand up. You got to be easy.
Oh, nice one. Oh, nice one. Break, break, break. Nice one. What do you think, Mike?
That takes the finesse. It's cool though.
Yeah.
If they had pin tires on this hard pack, it'd be good.
Yeah, we got the whole shots we're gonna put on the next.
Yeah, that'd be the ticket. But yeah, man, we made the transfers, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Did a good job.
Yo,
First time driving one? Yeah.
Jumps like
Look,
that.
but I drove a little Kyosho motorcycle years ago. Huh?